Anthony Elias, professor at the University of Colorado Cancer Center. Yes, so this year we have the results from two antibody-drug conjugates that have dramatically changed how we treat metastatic breast cancer. The first one is trastuzumab deruxtecan, otherwise known as TDXD for short. And this one is an anti-HER2, so the antibody itself is trastuzumab, and then it's linked to a toxin, which is a topo-1 inhibitor. And this, we have two trials that have been reported, Destiny-03 and Destiny-04. The Destiny-03 was in the HER2 positive breast cancer and demonstrated superiority over TDM1, otherwise known as trastuzumab emtansine. The Destiny-04 was in the HER2 low population, which is defined as HER2 1+ or 2+ FISH negative when measured by immunohistochemistry. And that one was superior to physicians' single agent chemotherapy of choice in the second or third line treatment of breast cancer. So this was both in estrogen receptor positive disease as well as triple negative, but the majority of the patients on that trial were estrogen receptor positive. And this showed not only a progression-free survival, but a very substantial overall survival. And so it has definitely changed how we treat breast cancer. This is now in second line therapy for breast cancer. The other antibody is sacituzumab govitecan, and that is targeting an antigen called TROP2 on the cell surface of most breast cancer. And its toxin is a topo-1 inhibitor as well. And this sacituzumab govitecan has been reported both in a large study with triple negative breast cancer as well as with ER positive breast cancer without considering HER2 expression, and also, for that matter, without measuring TROP2 expression. That didn't seem to matter. And so both of these trials demonstrated survival advantage as well. Now, these were in generally more heavily treated patient population than the Destiny trials, and so this was more in the second to fourth line treatment, second to fourth line treatment. And so the results may not be numerically quite as startling, but they're very excellent in that line of treatment. So that has also changed how we treat. So at this point, for estrogen receptor positive disease, we would treat with either the TDXD or with the sacituzumab, probably in that order. With the triple negative, we would treat perhaps with sacituzumab first and then TDXD, but the sequence is not clear.